On the command "Clear," place one of the empty magazines in the fingers of the right hand and return the other to the holster magazine container. Take the magazine from the finger of the right hand and hold it in the left hand. Depress the slide locking lever with the thumb of the right hand, allowing the slide to go forward. Insert an empty magazine into the pistol and squeeze the trigger while pointing the pistol at the target area. Raise the holster flat with the free hand and return the pistol to the holster. Secure the holster flap. Check dummy ammunition.